Let's make a simple bleach painted sweatshirt. To begin, draw a design on a piece of cardstock and cut it out. I'm making a fish and a starfish. Get yourself a dark colored sweatshirt and put something firm inside of it like a paper sack to help prevent any bleeding of the bleach and to make it a firmer surface. Use a low splash bleach if possible and pour a little bit into a cup. You're going to use a paintbrush to trace around your cardstock to make your design. Make sure you are doing this project in a well-ventilated area, and it is a good idea to even wear gloves while completing this portion of the project. Also, maybe don't do what I did and set your cup of bleach directly on your sweatshirt, unless you like to have a few splatters here and there. I made 3 fish on my sweatshirt, and once I had all the fish on there, I went back over with a little more bleach to make sure that that white is really going to stand out. Then you can go back in and add details to your fish, like scales or stripes or polka dots. I wanted to add a little something special to the sleeve as well, so I added a little starfish to the end of the sleeve. You're going to let the bleach dry completely overnight, and then you're going to wash it in your washing machine on cold and dry it as normal, and then you're going to have the cutest bleach painted sweatshirt around.